Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we take a look at the daily time frame first. We clearly are still working on the fourth wave. Well, it might have bottomed already again, but the wave 4 that we previously assumed bottomed here in August, that's clearly still unfolding. I already highlighted that possibility in recent days and weeks because of the weakness on the Ethereum chart. The support area hasn't changed though on the daily time frame, and support is still located here on the daily time frame between 1,790 and $2,098. This is still the main support area that would keep the directly bullish scenario alive, at least here on the daily time frame. Okay, on the smaller time frame, we have another support area. We're going to take a look at that. Or at least I'll tell you what we need to see for a first signal that an upside reversal is happening, and it's not yet very clear. So the trend is still down, or at least there is still downside pressure. We can see that the price from the 2022 low rallied in 3 waves, then 3 waves down, 3 waves up, move down again. It all looks corrective. So it's very difficult to say what's really going on because the market is not moving in impulses. So from an Elliott wave point of view, the impulse is what we want to see. The impulse is providing clarity. Once the market gives us a first upside impulse, things will be clear. But because the structure is a larger diagonal structure, we have no impulses in the microstructures, or at least they are rare. So it's just difficult. Okay, it's just difficult. But again, we give our best, and all I can tell you is that if we see a break, a decisive break below $1,790, it will become clear that the price is at least in a larger pullback like the B wave. That's just a different corrective structure. Then with support around 1436 and 1254. But bear in mind, in this scenario, I do not trust this scenario. So if we break below 1790, I will operate based on the assumption that Ethereum is not in a bullish market anymore. Smaller time frame, the trend is down anyway. But at that point, then also the, let's say my bullish outlook on the daily time frame will change. And I would assume that we are probably going down and maybe even test the June 2022 lows. I will base my views on that assumption. But we'll still watch this support area for the yellow B wave. But let's not get too involved in the daily time frame. I also want to take a look at the shorter time frame for Ethereum. This is the up-to-date chart, and when you watch the video, it might have already changed. I mean, that's always the thing with this with these videos. When you want to get live updates, check out our membership, the gold membership. Exactly will provide short-term updates all the time. But yeah, the main takeaway is the move down is technically complete. So we have a wave 4 that could have bottomed already. But for an early indication that the direct move down is complete, I need to see a break above the dotted line at 2,381. Now, when you watch the video, that might have already happened. Okay, might have already happened. So, but that is, at least then you know, okay, we have at least a local low in place. Okay, what to watch for next? Then we need to pay attention to this resistance area between 2,463 and 2,714. Why is that important? Because if the wave 4 extends, which is absolutely possible, hold on. This is just here based on this microstructure. If this wave 4 extends, it can do that because the last move down is an ABC structure. I'm not going to get into the rules here and why and whatever. You know, this is not a tutorial video, but this is more about understanding what is the structure. And the last move down is a 3-wave move. So that 3-wave move could be complete. It could also extend into a larger 3-wave move. A, B, C, that might be it. But we only have a marginally lower low below the February low here, the 3rd of February low. So it might be that this is just a larger A wave and it's forming a larger ABC structure. I would prepare for that. So the test of that 1790 level, $1,790, is not unlikely. So I think it's clear what we need to see for a first indication a low is in. We do see some upside momentum, but it's still very, very weak. It's too small to be relevant. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you. Bye-bye.